Hey, you got a shiny idea to share online, but no clues how to get folks to buy it? Let's pan out a simple trick that turns dust into dollars right now. Don't wander off the trail because we've got a treasure of tips from our free training coming up. It's your map to striking digital gold. All right, imagine we're out in the rugged hills, swapping stories like old gold miners. You've got a lifetime of gems. Maybe you've got a knack for whipping up quick fixes, or a story that could teach a thing or two, creating that one thing but keeping people to hand over their cash. That's where the real adventure kicks in. Take old prospector Sam from the 1850s. He'd hike miles up a river with his trusty mule, panning for gold with a beat up tin. He'd find a few flakes, but the real haul came when he rigged a simple trap. A wooden sluice box with notches to catch every speck while he napped under a tree. Smart, right? That's us in the digital wild. I've been there, tried selling a camping guide once, poured out my heart into it, but nobody knew it existed. No trap, no catch. Just me yelling in the wind like a fool. Ever felt that? Here's the secret: you don't need to chase folks down the digital riverbank. You need a system that works while you're kicking back. That's why we carved out the Digital Gold Rush Cash In or Miss Out, a free training for us, everyday folks, beginners or not, to turn our know how into something special that people cannot resist. We've been chiseling this in since the first frost, and it's polished for you right now. You're about to hear from the expert, and I mean you, and you'll be swinging with the goods. And it's all part of what we unpack in our Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership, where we hand you the tools to create, sell, and market your knowledge on one slick automated platform. So grab your pickaxe. Here's the power of sales system that snares the gold. Let's strike it. This is a little clip from our training.
Creating a product is one thing, but when it comes to getting people to buy it, that's a totally different animal. So, step two, you need the power of a simple sales system that captures leads. Why? No leads, no money. It's that brutal. Every scroll past your stuff is a missed dollar. A system that snags emails like pop ups or freebie lead magnets grabs those gold nuggets before they bounce. Without it, you're just fishing without a net. You need the power of a simple sales system that nurtures them with automated emails and sales funnels also. Why? Leads don't buy cold, they need warming up. Automated emails hit them with value tips, stories, and offers while you sip your coffee. Sales funnel guides them from who are you to take my cash. Manually chasing, that's a time suck. Automation's your 24/7 money whisperer.
Next, you're going to need a system that converts them into paying customers. Why? Leads are just your potential, conversions are the payday. A tight system seals the deal with slick offers, deadlines, or bonuses, turning maybes into solds. No conversions, no profit. You're just a digital charity case, and you don't want that. The gold key here is QL Solutions CRM ties it all together. Capturing, nurturing, converting, smooth as butter. Skip this and you're panning for gold the slow way. Let's make it easy.
This is where the QL Solutions platform and the Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership comes in. It provides lead capture template pages that convert visitors into buyers, automated email templates to nurture leads, sales funnel templates that maximize profits. Also, training videos, training modules, templates, guides, and outlines. We are continually adding valuable training videos and ideas in the membership area. When we started our journey, we felt alone and lost. It took a lot on our part to figure this out, the stuff that really works. Instead of spending months figuring it out yourself, you could use our proven framework inside the Digital Gold Rush Mastery.
Whew. Doesn't that feel like striking a rich vein? It's pure gold dust. Think of old Sam napping by the river while his sluice snagged every sparkle. Meanwhile, other miners were sweating buckets for crumbs. That's the difference a system makes. I bet you felt that lost vibe too, pouring energy into something great only to watch it drift. And it drifted by because nobody bit. Been there, done that with my camping guide until I learned the ropes. That's why our free training, Digital Gold Rush, Cash In or Miss Out, is your prospector's kit, showing you how to trap leads, warm them up, and cash in, all without breaking a sweat. It's linked in the description below, free as a wildflower, and perfect for folks like us who have got wisdom to share. But you also need a hand getting it out there. We've been panning this for a while now, refining it so even beginners can strike it big. In our Digital Gold Rush Mastery membership, you'll get the full haul: how to create, sell, and market your knowledge on the QL Solutions platform. That does the grunt work for you. But the free training, your first scoop of gold. Don't let your gold nugget slip downstream. Someone's waiting to grab what you've got. Click that link, sign up for the free training, and let's build your profit together. If this got you grinning like a miner with a full pouch, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Your gold rush is calling.